In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Avowed on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google search bar, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, but we got a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games, and it's completely legit. So follow these steps and get set up within a couple of minutes. What we need to do, first we need to locate this game on Steam, and we are going to see how expensive this game is. So search for the game on Steam and there you will see Avowed. And if you scroll a little bit down you can see this game is €69.99. That is quite expensive for just a game. So what you need to do now is go to the video description. There you will find a link to a website where it says find game. Then you will be redirected to this website, and now we will search for this game on this website. And once you have done this, select games on the left side. After that we need to sort by and then price lowest first. And as you can see, if you scroll a little bit down, you will find a key to the Microsoft Store. So it's an official game, but what you will do is buy this game on this website for just €20 instead of €69, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps and a key to activate this game on the Microsoft Store platform. So once you have done that, then you can play this game, download it from the Microsoft Store, and you saved yourself over €40 on this game. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!